this is on a Saturday morning. We're going to fellow rider na imimit natin at magmomotor din tayo. So, we're on our way to Simi Valley. So, from Yorba Linda to Simi Valley, mga nasa 80 miles yan. So, isipin mo na lang na parang from Pasay to Subic, mga 130 kilometers yung layo. One way. So, pupunta kami dun ngayon, imimit namin yung cousin ng aking brother-in-law, then magra-ride daw kami around lang. So, medyo hindi tayo lalabas ng freeway, nakakatakot pa freeway dito. Kaya nasa freeway kami ngayon. So, papa-experience sa akin yung paano ba mag-ride dito sa California at i-share ko naman yun sa inyo. Pero ang maganda dito, social si Inday ngayon. O, diba? May driver at yaya ako. Wow. Naka-Tesla. O, diba? Sa atin kasi, mauuso sa atin BYD, VinFast. Bil tayo makakita ng Tesla. Dito, barya lang ang Tesla. So, mapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan, this is my sister, Sab, and my brother-in-law, RJ. So, ayan, naka-Tesla kami. Anong model pa to ng Tesla?
Y.
Model Y.
Model Y. So, ayan na siya. Ganyan na yan. Kahit na, pag tinamad mag-drive si brother-in-law, pwede niyang i-automatic yan. At saka, minsan, kung sasyunga-syunga ka na driver, maganda kumuha ka ng Tesla kasi mas marunong na yung kotse kesa sa'yo. Marunong mag-drive. So, ayan, we're on our way. Nandito kami parang sa highway natin, Skyway, SLEX, T-Plex. So, ganito yung freeway nila. Malalaki talaga ang mga roads. It's 6 lanes. At mabibilis talaga magpatakbo ang mga tao dito ng sasakyan. So, alam mo ba yung maximum?
Here, mga 65 ang speed limit.
65.
Pero minimum,
Kahit ilan na yun. Siguro mga 45 bubusin na ako rin.
oo nga, parang wala akong nakikita ang mga babag.
Or
Oo.
50.
Parang
Pag
bibilis
ganito
ang
kabilis
takbo.
lahat,
Mm.
kailangan same ng flow ng traffic eh.
Oo. Nakakatakot kasi magbagal din, ano?
Natin pakita ito kasi baka
So, ayan guys. So, ito ang freeway nila. Talagang malaki. So, parang ganito na rin ang SLEX ngayon na dinidevelop sa atin. It's gonna be like a 6 lane. Pero ito guys, ang pinagkaiba, dire-diretsong ganyan. Hindi katulad sa atin, nag-6 lane na bininig dalawa. So, ang gulo, diba? Wait for me na lang hanggang makarating kami doon. Share ko sa inyo lahat ng aking experience mag-ride dito sa California. O, diba? Pangarap na yun din makaride sa ibang bansa. At ito ata ang aking first time mag-ride sa ibang bansa. Kasi yung iba dyan nakapag-ride na sila sa Japan, sa Thailand, sa mga kung saan-saan na Asian, at saka ibang country. Tayo, dito tayo unang makaka-experience ng out of the country ride. O, diba? So guys, see you later!
Ito na yata na.
Oh, wala na. Actually, nandito.
Take America.
We're almost here.
Boss?
Hey guys! So, we're now here at Simi Valley and may mga kasama tayong makakaride natin. Papakilala ko sa inyo pero nakakatuwa. Oo, okay lang kasi itutour niya ako eh. Pero nakakatuwa guys kasi meron pinahiram sa ating motor which is a Harley. Tapos ang gagamitin ng Kuya Vic is the R12 na BMW. So, first time ni Inday Rider mag-ride dito sa ibang bansa. Thank you, thank you. Ayan si Kuya Vic. Hi! Matagal na yan dito, tsaka matagal na rin siyang rider. Gano'n ka nakatagal na rider?
10, 15 years.
Oh, OG. OG na siya, OG.
OG sa Vicente lang pala.
Oh, yeah. So, nandito kami sa garage niya. Who lent me the bike pala?
Dexter.
Dexter. Shout out kay Dexter. Salamat at pinahiram mo ako ng iyong
Alam ko hindi
bike.
ka makakarating kasi tulog ka pa.
Yes. Tulog ka daw. Yung mga late gumising, mga ano to, mga night rider.
night rider.
Tapos yan, mag-ikot kami dito sa iba sa place ng Simi Valley. Saan ba tayo pupunta, kuya?
Camarillo.
Camarillo. So, hindi pa alam yung kung saan yun. Pero, na-excite ako kasi first time kong magra-ride dito sa ibang bansa. At diba, naka-Harley pa tayo, naka-BM. O, diba, ang gaganda ng brands. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga brands. So, we're riding
Riding in tandem.
riding in tandem. Harley. I thank you. At this ate, Lorraine. Thank you for the warm welcome.
It's hot.
Thank you.
It has no sugar.
Ay, nalagyan mo na sugar.
Yeah. May pakape pa si Ate Lorraine. It's my brother-in-law.
Hello.
Yes, RJ.
I'll hold it
Ay, sige.
so you can vlog.
Yan. So, what we have here is a Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114. So, nakaride na rin tayo ng ganito. And ito yung pinili ko because it's lower. Mas abot ko. Mas confident akong i-ride going around the place. Lalo na kung hindi tayo familiar sa lugar. So, excited ako kasi we had our Insta360 na para ma-feel natin yung ride natin. And then, Kuya Vic is riding an R12 2016 model. Mula nang lumalabas sa atin ito, but this is a very good bike. Until now, maganda, marami pa rin naghahanap nito dito. Mas nimble siya, mas magaang. Ayan, boxer engine din siya, guys. So, the BMW and the Harley is a perfect combination. Alam mo, guys, itong perfect combination na dapat meron ka sa garahe mo. You know why? Pwede ka mag-adventure kasi pag gusto mo mga long rides and you want to make tambak, you have a cruiser. So these two bikes are the perfect combination talaga para sa mga rider. Ito yung dream ko. May isa akong adventure, may isa akong cruiser. So yan yung nakaka-excite pag nagra-ride tayo. Parang if you want to have different experience sa pagra-ride, a cruiser and an adventure bike is a perfect combination. I used to have a Honda Rebel 500 and a CB500X. So, ito, nakakatuwa kasi Harley na, BMW pa. Okay, tapos, thank you, shout out din kay Eric for lending me the jacket. So, hindi tayo alis nang wala tayong safety gear. And of course, sa helmet din. We're wearing a spider helmet. And the gloves. Meron din gloves sa film. Sobrang nakakatuwa, guys, kasi na-excite tuloy ako. And sobrang warm ng welcome ng mga fellow Filipino riders natin. And talagang pinahiram ako ng mga gears na dapat namin gamitin for the ride. And I'm very grateful for all of them. Kuya Vic, Ate Lorraine, Eric, and Dexter. Thank you so much for making my first experience ride outside of the Philippines memorable. So, marami pa yan. At kasi ikot pa kami. So, excited si Inday. Maganda dito sa California. You know why? Kasi, ang dami mong bundok na nakikita na which I love most. That's why I go to mountain provinces because gusto ko yung nakakakita ng maraming bundok. Ang dami dito. Ito pala, parang ngayon ko lang na-appreciate. I've been to California, LA, but didn't really go around much kasi puro mga outlets, malls ang napupuntahan ko. But this time, we will try to experience California in a different way by riding. So, very excited na si Inday! So, I'll see you soon and share ko sa inyo yung ride namin. Bye! Guys, sarap mag-ride sa California. Ang luwag ng daan. Now I understand why they love Harley here in the States, because the roads are all good. Wala kang mararamdaman ng lubak. Ang sarap i-ride ng Harley. Yung weather malamig. So, mainit yung motor ko ngayon pero hindi ganun kainit kasi nga malamig yung place. Ah, sarap. Super sarap.
Tres ko ng konti. Yun.
Pickles.
Parang hard.
Ano to, pickles? Pickles. So we're here at Cracker Barrel with my sisters. We have Ato Lorraine,
Yung mga bago ko dalawang kainin.
Big.
Picture muna.
si RJ and Sugar.
Crack my barrel.
Pero wala ako sa US. Kasi mga Tagalog talaga kami dito.
Ano raw sabi niya? Tagalog pa rin. Tagalog pa rin pala.
Tagalog pa rin pala ako wala States. Nandito pala pag sa California side talagang daming Pinoy. Diba? Ang saya ng ride. Nagutom kami ni Vic. Kuya Vic dapat. Ayaw pa tawag Kuya Vic. Anyway, kwento ko sa inyo later. Kakain muna kami. Parang Fridays or something tong kinakainin namin dito. Eat muna kami.
We're having home style chicken.
Gusto ko mo lang makita sa Pilipinas.
Kanin ba to? Di ba modern na ito? Kanin?
Burger steak. Curry.
Every style na.
French fries.
Parang kanin. Dapat dito
Kumakain na kami. Ha?
Kakala ko kanin.
Yung serving sila dito, sobrang laki. Tignan mo pang dalawa na. Uuwi ito. ginamit today. Ayan guys! So nakakarating lang, kakabalik lang namin dito sa Simi Valley and it was a very good ride. So naiintindihan ko na kung bakit ang mga Harley riders ay gustong-gusto talaga dito sa US naka-Harley. It's because all the routes are very good and patag talaga. So na-enjoy ko yung Harley dito ng 114. Thank you! Shout out to Dexter for lending me your bike and also to Eric for lending me the gear. Siyempre, hindi tayo pwede umalis ng walang gears. Hindi rider, think safe, ride safe pag andito sa US. So ngayon naman, gusto kong interviewin yung nakasama kong riding buddy ko today, si Vic. So, papakwento tayo how he became a rider dito sa US, di ba? So, very interesting yung ating kwentuhan ngayon kasi kakaibang experience as a rider. Sa Pinas kasi ibang riding style natin, pero dito sa Amerika ibang-iba rin. Kaya malalaman natin sa kanya. Tara! Hello, Vic! Ay, magpatawag ng kuya. Eh, kasi
magkasing edad lang kami yan eh.
Kami. Anyway, thank you so much. Na-appreciate ko yung pagsama mo sa akin at pag-ride.
No problem.
Feeling ko, I have to go back, magra-ride tayo ng mas mahaba.
Beachfront naman kasi
Yes.
puro city yung riding natin kanina.
Oo nga,
Medyo
pero
mainit.
mukhang pigil lang yung ride natin kanina kasi binabantayan ako.
Binabantayan ko baka mawala eh.
Pero what are you riding? Tell us about your bike. Anong bike ba itong gamit mo ngayon?
Oh, it's 2016 R1200R.
Yes.
Kaya ito, kasi medyo tumatanda na, at least upright ka at the same time sporty pa rin.
Yes.
But I usually, before I had the Thruxton, yun talaga, I love na love ko yun,
Triumph.
pero I have to sell it. Kasi bumababa yung value, alam mo naman tayo, buy it and
Yes.
sell it while you can still earn it.
Pero how long have you been riding already?
Legally,
Yeah.
it's been a decade. Illegally, simula pa lang ng Pilipinas.
Pilipinas
Oo.
pala.
Pilipinas, naalala mo yung scooter na Honda na,
Ano
anong
ba
klaseng Honda? Yung meron pang
Hopper?
shield na gano'n, yung may shield ka pa sa paa.
Hopper. Oo, parang alam ko yun.
Parang
Yung sinasabi
pero
mo.
two-stroke siyang gano'n, parang
Yes.
tricycle na. Oo.
So, doon ka nag-umpisa.
Doon nagsimula,
So,
oo.
kung sa Pilipinas, taga saan ka talaga?
Sa Pilar lang talaga ako, Las Piñas lang talaga kami. Wala kami province.
Putubong Manila talaga.
Yes, Putubong
Tapos,
Manila.
ilang years ka na dito sa Amerika?
Siguro 24 to be exact.
Wow!
Ganun
Buti
katagal.
marunong Tagalog.
Hindi rin ako marunong mag-English.
And what do you do for a living?
I do marketing for a ambulance company. So,
Nice. Ano sa tingin mo, nung first time mong nag-ride dito sa US, ano yung first na natakutan mo? Ano ba yung na-feel mo? Kasi ibang riding style natin sa Pilipinas compared dito
sa Pilipinas kasi, if there's a space, lusutin mo.
Yes.
Dito naman, you really have to follow the rules. Bawal ka sa kanan. At the same time, malalawak yung kali. And may 911. I mean,
Oo.
di ba?
Pero ano yung first bike mo dito na big bike?
Big bike ko na first start, it's a Honda CB750 na Honda.
Wow!
And it's a Honda Matic to be exact.
Wow!
So, dalawa lang apakan siya. Isang city riding. Then pag nasa freeway ka na, shift mo ulit. Freeway na. Pero Honda Matic siya, ang laki.
So, nakakailang palit ka na ng bike since nung nag-umpisa ka doon sa Honda CB750?
Apat. I had the CB750 tapos meron akong Katana na 500 ng time na yun.
Katana, wow!
Doon ko nakita si Lord. Munti ka na pala. Buti nakauwi pa ako.
So, may experience ka rin palang gano'n.
Ay, oo, grabe.
Oo. Ano naman natutunan mo doon?
Get a bigger bike para hindi masakit pag sumempla ka. Just be safe. Yun lang ang
Yes.
sasabihin ko sa'yo. So anyway, that was the two bikes that I had. The first is ito, tsaka yung
Triumph.
yung Triumph. Unless ito, you consider this bike. Ayan, dyan ako nagsimula sa cycling.
Ito, Dipadjak. Oo.
Dipadjak.
Mas mahirap yan, guys.
Mas mahirap.
Walang makina yan
Tapos nag-transition sa electric scooter, di yun na.
So, dami electric scooter.
Electric scooter pa.
Lahat ng dalawang gulong.
Oh, meron, oh.
So, favorite. So, ano naman ang ma-advise mo sa ating mga Pinoy who wants to ride here? Ano ba yung mga places na magandang dapat nilang puntahan?
Usually the best talaga is yung coastline riding, yung we call that one's like PCH, yung Pacific Coast Highway. It stretches from all the way from Pacific Palisades all the way to Manhattan ba or Orange County, I think, sa pinakadulo, Dana Point to be exact. So by the beach lang lahat yon, yung Pacific Coast Highway. Actually, pwede kang dumiretso ata, if I'm not mistaken, to Oxnard. So it's from coast to coast ang tawag. On the right side will be the sea, on your left side, bundok.
Wow. Oo nga, parang napanin ko dito, ang dami niyang tanawin, view.
Yes.
'Di ba? Whenever you ride. And hindi siya nakakatakot masyado mag-ride kasi kahit papaano may rules talagang they
May rules
follow.
talaga, yeah, they follow. I don't know, it's because of maybe talagang tayo lang naman di sumusunod unfortunately.
Pasaway tayo.
Di ba pasaway
Kaya,
talaga
Kaya
no?
nauso yung kamote.
Ayun na
Rider.
kasi kamote rider talaga. Nakikita ko yun nababasa ko hindi nababasa. I just saw it on the Facebook. Pero
Yeah.
talagang nakakatakot sa Pilipinas mag-ride talaga.
Totoo yun. Sabi nga nila, if you can ride in the Philippines, you can ride anywhere
I
in
know,
the
but the
world.
thing is, yung mga sumisemplang sa atin, nakikita ko sila
Yes.
kamote, talagang,
Nakakatakot din,
ay,
ano?
naku, Diyos ko.
Yeah.
It's like India. I mean, there's, on your right, tatamaan mo. On your left, tatamaan mo.
Kaya nga yun yan. Pero ako naman, natakot ako dito kasi feeling ko, na-intimidate lang, pero hindi naman din pala.
Di ba? Sabi sa'yo hindi. Kasi mas malaki yung kalye.
Yes.
Just stick to your lane. Tapos iiwasan ka naman nila eh.
So, ito naman ang tanong ko. Paano ka nag-umpisa mag-ride? Buti, pinayagan ka.
Hindi. Ako pinayagan talaga.
Hindi ka pinayagan. So, paano ka nakalusot?
Dumating na sa point na she got tired na she keeps on watching me. Baka tumakas ako or so ever. Kasi look, I was riding before na walang proper training, walang proper gear, walang proper,
Yes.
especially license. So, I don't have no insurance. Ang meron lang ako, tibay ng dibdib tsaka lakas ng loob.
Yes.
Or di ride. Kaya doon siya natatakot. So, she made a deal na, look, you know what? Get
Okay
things
na.
legally,
Yeah.
get your license, and get your insurance, get your motorcycle license and everything, parehistro mo and everything. Wala tayong pag-uusapan. Sabi, okay. Nagulat siya, 1 week lang. The fastest thing that I ever did na sinabi niya na gawin ko, yun, 1 week lang.
Ayun ang pinakamabilis mong ginawa.
So, that was a Monday. On the Monday, next Monday, we were shopping for a bike already. Kaya kumakamot siya ng ulo. Sabi ko,
Ang
you said
bilis,
if it's like get it legally, yeah, walang problema. So,
So dito, you also have to have a motorcycle license. Parang,
License,
it's like in the Manila, it's called 1.
and,
Number
yeah, dito
1 and
M1.
2.
This is a M1 license
M1
there.
din. So meron din siyang mag-aaral ka, may test ride
It's
din.
actually ganito. It's either you can do it on your own, meaning to say you have to do the DMV test written, or at saka plus actual riding, which
Yes.
is mahirap kasi you have to go to a circle na pagbababa yung paa mo, ang kitid ng circle.
So kailangan mo daanan yung ganun training.
Pag ayaw mong umattend ng class. Yung class naman na sinasabi ko, it's a California Highway Patrol conducted class.
Okay.
Safety class. That's a two-day weekend yun eh. So it's a Saturday, Sunday, almost full day on the second day, which is a Sunday, doon kayo graduate. Ang benefits nun is you just have to take the written test of DMV. You don't have to take the actual. Pangalawa, yung insurance rate mo is 20% less ata if you're just gonna be getting it just a regular person. Tsaka marami ka matutunan. Look, I've been riding for so long and I thought hindi ko kailangan yan. I thought I
Yes.
know everything. But if you attended that course or that crash class, if I may say,
Yeah.
ang dami mo pa rin matututunan. So it's always better for you to learn. And that's
Yeah.
it.
Continuous learning for safety purposes, right?
Ang dami mo nga malalaman, means kinawala by the book eh.
Yeah.
Nagugulat ka na lang eh.
Oo.
Sa kalye eh.
So your license, you have to renew then all the time and
Parang regular, pag nakakuha ka na ng motorcycle license na meron kang regular car driving license, driving license, actually, by one na yun, isang lisensya na lang yun, na may indication lang na CM1. So, pag nag-expire yun, syempre, expire na rin pang motor mo.
Oo.
So, sabay ng sabay yun.
sabay
Naka-isang
lang
card,
din.
yeah.
Oh, nice. So ang tanong natin, sunod na tanong, nahuli ka na ba?
Yeah! Walang yeah. O, natikitan ako, grabe. Actually, marami kami.
Nasa motor?
Sa
Nahuli
motor.
ka?
Yeah. Pero the thing is, it's funny. It's not about speeding. It's
It's about
sa Malibu kasi, ang daming, how do I say this? Ang daming entrapment na yung napapanood yun sa TV na nasa Snake or nasa whatever doon sa may Malibu sa Pacific Coast Highway. May mga highway patrol. So, we were not fast.
Yeah.
But there was this street na sabi no entry, tapos may harang. We have to make a U-turn. So if I stop doon sa kanto na yun, tatamaan kami ng mga kotse dahil lahat kami nasa kanto. And
Yes.
remember, ang two-way, parang two-lane lang yung mga freeway doon sa mga bundok. So, doon sa Malibu or, I forgot the name, doon sa Snake, if I may say. So, nilampasan ko pa yung harang. So, pumasok ako sa street. Yung pala, it's like a sort of pag tinawid mo yan, merong highway patrol sa taas, tapos sinenyasan kami, all of you go down there.
Oh.
Yung pala, nandun yung kotse niya, titikitan kami doon. So, it's like we got pulled over because of, we just stopped dahil to make a legal U-turn.
Oh, bawal
Eh,
pala yun.
He doesn't want to get no excuses. Ang sinasabi niya is, you cross the line of do not enter because the road is closed. I said, you know what, you're not a judge.
So, ilang kayong natikitan niya?
Yun, maganda, isang kami. 10 ata. Oh, you know what? Yung may-ari ng bike mo, lucky yung may-ari ng bike mo.
Bakit?
He was the last. So,
Nakadiretso siya.
na-overwhelm ata yung highway patrol. Akala ng highway patrol, nakuha niya na yung license niya.
Ay, hindi pa pala.
He was like saying that, do you need my license? No, I don't need your license. You better leave now.
Oh.
O di, she just left. So, nakakaingit kasi hindi siya nakaticket. Pero it is what it is.
So, how much was it?
300 plus.
Oh my God!
That was like 5-6 years ago.
Oh,
or
mahal
more,
din,
if
ah.
I'm not mistaken. Yeah,
Mahal
laki nun,
din,
ah.
pag mahuli pala dito sa US.
Ang mahal. At tapos pag moving violation pa, I think that was a moving violation or hindi ata. I'm not really so sure. Pero anyways, pag meron kang huli, you really have to go to a traffic school. Dahil pag hindi, yung insurance mo, shoot, if it's 1 point, it's gonna go up like, I don't know how many percent, but it's really gonna go up. And papangit credit mo, mahihirapan ka magkuha ng mga
Renew. Ano
mga driving vehicles. It's because of like, they have to look at your license. Tapos sabihin nila, uy, reckless pala to mag-drive.
Grabe, no? So,
Mga klase.
so far, what's the most experience na hindi mo makakalimutan na niride mo dito sa area mo? Na,
Oh, we rode all as area. Actually, no, we rode all the way from forgot that place. It's all almost close to San Francisco. It's like 8-hour drive, something like that one.
Wow, from here
Yeah.
to there?
Siguro mga 20 kaming motorcycles, tapos may convoy pa kaming mga 8 or 10 na kotse because of the wives and everything.
Kasama, may banda.
Kasama, it's like a
May
group
backup.
ride. That was like PRS. It's like for Pinoy Riders SoCal.
Oh.
And that was composed of a lot of riders na, pero yung grupo lang namin as friends, yung Club Moto 818. The reason why...
So that's your club's name?
Yeah, yung 818 Moto. Yeah,
shout out mo
puro
naman
Pinoy.
your friends.
Mag-bike naman kayo. Hindi na kayo nagra-ride.
Di naman nagra-ride.
Hindi na, Diyos ko. And actually, pickleball lang addiction nila ngayon. Kaya, so I
So
don't
there's
know.
a group pala here, the Pinoy Riders Soka?
Oh yeah, marami. Si Eric is one of them. Dexter is one of them.
Yeah, nice.
But before that one, it's a consolidation of like me and Dexter, we were both like Club Moto 818. Sumali kami sa PRS. So yung iba rin, may ibang grupo, sumali na PRS. So it's like So how do I say this? It's like parang Amerika, madaming immigrant na nagbuo na lang ng
Ayan, ang mga
Diba?
grupo-grupo.
tapos there you go, nagkaroon na ng Pinoy Rider Ventura, nagkaroon na ng Pinoy Harley Rider. So it's like,
Oh, nice. So,
Meron pa
marami
nga eh.
rin communities.
yes, marami.
Oo.
Marami rin communities.
So, ang akin last question is that, why do you ride?
To get away from, no, just kidding. To get away from everyday stress. Tsaka masarap. You experience it yourself
Yes.
naman eh. It's gonna be like, mas lalong gumagana yung, what I call this one, yung senses mo to be aware of your surroundings, to be aware of the, so nasa-sharpen ka pa at the same time, nakaka-relax ka, nakakatanggal ka ng stress. Although, there's a lot of ways that we can distress ourselves, pero para sa akin,
Just a bike.
yun
So,
lang.
what can you advise naman sa mga Pinoy na gustong mag-ride dito? Ano naman ang
It's never
pwede
too
mo
late.
gawin?
As long as you are doing it correctly or legally, trust me, you'll be fine.
Nice. Thank you so much
No
for the
problem.
wonderful experience, babe.
Balik ka ulit.
Yes,
pero
I
coastline
will.
tayo next time.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Sige, salamat.
Kanya naman yung experience natin dito sa California sa ride at saka feeling ko pagbalik ko dito, I'll be more prepared. Hindi ko kasi inakala na makakapag-ride ako ngayon. I was just waiting for my brother-in-law's RJ na tulungan ako connect sa mga riders dito sa California. But since kasi biglaan, it was only Vic who I was able to ride. Tsaka dahil first time, baka maguluhan din ako. Kaya gusto niya, dalawa lang muna kami. At ma-experience ko talaga yung buong ride dito sa Simi Valley going to Camarillo. So, ayun guys, I'm so thankful. Thank you, Lord. At nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon to do this. I would never expected that I'll be able to ride outside of our country. Matagal ko pa inisip yon. So, I am so thankful to God na nabigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon. And this is one of the highlights of my trip here, other than the family gathering. And will be the second highlight of my trip here in the US. Kaya yun guys, I hope you enjoyed my trip here and hopefully soon makashare pa ako ng iba't iba kong mga riding experience and riding journey ko sa buhay. At of course, as Inday Rider, now also a realtor. Bye guys!